Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neat Prep for Biology by AG. Today we will discuss 20 questions on chapter Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. If you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe this channel and share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. So here we start our video with the first question. Question 1. Animal husbandry includes A. Fisheries, B. Poultry farming, C. Dairy, D. All of these. I repeat the question. Animal husbandry include, and the correct answer is D, that is all of these. Question second. The term breed refers to A group of animals not related by descent but similar in most characteristics. B. A group of animals related by descent and similar in most characteristics. C. A group of animals related by descent but have almost different characteristics. D. A group of animals neither related by descent nor have similar characteristics. The term breed refers to, and the correct answer for the second question is B, that is a group of animals related by descent and similar in most characteristics. Question third. Interspecific hybridization is the mating of A. Animals with same breed without having common ancestors. B. Two different related species. C. Superior males and females of different breed. D. More closely related individuals with same breed for 4 to 6 generations. Interspecific hybridization is the mating of. And the correct answer for the third question is B. That is two different related species. Question 4. MOET stands for A. Multiple ovulation transfer technology. B. Multiple ovary and embryo transfer technology. C. Multiple ovulation embryo test technology. D. Method of egg transfer. MOET stands for, and the correct answer for the fourth question is A, that is multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Question 5. International Rice Research Institute IRRI is situated at A. New York, USA. B. Tokyo, Japan. C. Manila, Philippines. D. Hyderabad, India. International Rice Research Institute IRRI is situated at, and the correct answer for the fifth question is C, that is Manila, Philippines is the correct answer. Question 6. Biofortified crops are A. Crops with increased yield. B. Crops with disease resistance. C. Herbicide resistant crop. D. Crops with high nutritive value. Biofortified crops are, and the correct answer for the sixth question is D, that is crops with high nutritive value. Question 7. A protoplast is a cell. A. Without protoplasm membrane. B. Without nucleus. C. Undergoing division. D. Without cell wall. A protoplast is a cell, and the correct answer for the seventh question is D, that is without cell wall. Question 8. Emasculation is achieved by first, removal of anther, second, removal of stigma, third, removal of entire organism, fourth, removal of petals and sepals. Emasculation is achieved by, and the correct answer for the eighth question is first one, that is removal of anther. Question 9. Cellular totipotency is demonstrated by first, only gymnosperm cell, second, all plant cell, third, all eukaryotic cell, fourth, only bacterial cell. Cellular totipotency is demonstrated by. Ninth question, correct answer is second one, that is all plant cell has cellular totipotency 2. Question 10. Nobel laureate Norman E. Borlaug developed semi-dwarf variety of first wheat, second sugarcane, third mustard, fourth chili. Nobel laureate Norman E. Borlaug developed semi-dwarf variety of. Question 10th correct answer is first one, that is wheat. Question 11. What is the benefit from pollen culture? First, production of hybrid species. Second, rare plant species can be preserved. Third, haploid plants can be produced. Fourth, none of these. Question 11. What is the benefit from pollen culture? Question 11 correct answer is third one, that is haploid plant can be produced. Question 12. Norrin 10 gene is first, production of hybrid species. Second, rare plant species can be preserved. Third, haploid plant can be produced. Fourth, none of these. What is the benefit from pollen culture? Question 11th correct answer is third one, that is haploid plant can be produced from northern culture, from pollen culture. Question 12. Norrin 10 gene is first dot gene of rice, second dot gene of wheat, third dot gene of tomato, fourth smooth resistant gene of wheat. Norrin 10 gene is question 12 correct answer is second one, that is dwarf gene of wheat. Question 13. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplast? First, polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. Second, IAA and carnitine. IAA and gibberellin. Fourth, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Question 13. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplast? Question 13 correct answer is first one, that is polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate induces fusion of protoplast. Question 14. Jafrabadi Murrah and Mehansana are breed of first one cow, second buffalo, third goat, fourth sheep. Jafrabadi Murrah and Mishahana are breed of. Question 14th correct answer is second word, that is buffalo is the correct answer. Question 15. Fish used in biological control of mosquito is first Gambusia, second Hilsa, third Scalophagus, fourth goldfish. Fish used in biological control of mosquito is question 15th correct answer is first one, that is Gambusia is the correct answer. Question 16. Exotic breed of poultry are first white leghorn and Rhode Island red, second Rhode Island red and SL, third Polymorph and SL, fourth white leghorn and SL. Exotic breed of poultry are question 16 correct answer is first one, that is white leghorn and Rhode Island red. Question 17. To increase milk yield cow is given first sorbitol, second stilbestrol, third prolactin, fourth gonadotropin. To increase milk yield cow is given and the correct answer is second one, that is stilbestrol is given to increase milk yield. Question 18. A new breed of sheep developed in India by cross breeding called Hisadale is a cross of first Bacanary Eve and Merino Rams, second Merino Eves and Biconary Rams, third Malvari Eves and Biconary Rams, fourth Biconary Eves and Malvari Rams. A new breed of sheep developed in India by crossbreeding is called Hisadale. It is a cross. And the correct answer is first one, that is Biconary Eve and Merino Rams. Question 19. The gestation period of elephant is about first 11 months, second 15 months, third 22 months, fourth 32 months. The gestation period of elephant is about, and the correct answer for the 19th question is third one, that is 22 months. Question 20. Which among the following is real product of honeybee? First honey, second pollen, third bee wax, fourth propolis. Which among the following is real product of honeybee? And the correct answer is third one, that is bee wax is the real product of honeybee. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. If you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe, share with your friends and comment on this video that you like or not. Thank you friends for watching this video. Keep smiling always. Bye bye.